Good morning, students. Hope you're doing well. This is Vinita Singh, and today we will be discussing about our chapter Basic Features of Text Editor. In the last class, we have already discussed about the copy paste, and today we will be discussing about cut and paste. The cut and paste operation will move the content from its original place and paste the content at the desired location, but it will delete the text from its original location. So, whenever you select the option of cut and paste, it will copy, or we can say it will move the content from where it is originally located, and it will paste the content at the desired location, but the content in the original location will be deleted. Now let us see what are the procedure for cut and paste. So all you need to do is to select the word that you need to cut. Move the mouse pointer to the beginning of the word. Press the left button and hold it down. Drag the mouse pointer to the selected word. By dragging, you need to select the word which you need to cut. As you can see over here, it will be highlighted. Now, release the left mouse button of the mouse at the end of the word. Move the mouse pointer to the cut on the toolbar, and you need to click on the cut icon. You will observe that the word has disappeared from its position. Now, move the cursor to the position where you want to paste. Click the left mouse button. Move the mouse pointer to the paste on the toolbar and then click on paste icon. The word that was selected by the cut is now pasted at the position of the cursor. So, as you have seen over here, in the case of copy, both the words were available, but in the situation of cut and paste, the word is deleted from its original position. Hence, when we cut and paste, the content is moved from its original location. So now let us summarize. Steps to cut and paste are: you need to move the cursor to the beginning of the word to be cut and select the word. Then click on the cut. Move the cursor to the place where you want the word and then click on paste. In this way, you will be able to cut and paste. I hope now you have understood how you can cut and paste and copy and paste too. That was discussed in the last class. So, all you need to do is to practice this after the class so that you can perform well. Because, as it is said, practice makes the man perfect. For now, take care and have a great day.